Nespresso Vertuo is a gourmet coffee range that uses an innovative blend-specific brewing technology called centrifusion. With a simple touch of the button, the capsule begins to rotate, allowing the machine to read the barcode on its rim and automatically calibrate the perfect brewing parameters for that particular blend. As the water infuses the coffee grounds, the rotating capsule reaches a speed up to 7,000 RPM, and the centrifugal force gently brews the coffee, extracting its full aroma and forming a perfect crema every time. What's more, your Vertuo capsules are easily recycled. Discover our highly versatile Vertuo machines for all cup sizes. Placing an order's easy. Simply visit our boutiques or order online 24/7 and enjoy fast delivery to your chosen address. Nespresso, what else?